Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious crème brûlée cocktail. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need vanilla vodka, Irish cream, and a touch of coffee liqueur for depth. We'll also use a splash of heavy cream to achieve that signature smooth texture. Don't forget to prepare a quick caramel syrup. It's key to replicating the dessert's iconic flavor profile. This cocktail is perfect for impressing guests or enjoying a sweet treat. Now, let's create that beautiful, crunchy caramel rim. Gently melt about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar in a small saucepan over medium heat until it turns a rich amber color. Be careful not to burn it. Once melted, carefully dip the rim of your chilled martini glass into the warm caramel. Rotate the glass to ensure an even coating. Let it cool for a few minutes. It will harden into a delightful, edible garnish. With your glass prepared, it's time to mix the magic. In a cocktail shaker, combine 1½ ounces of vanilla vodka, 1 ounce of Irish cream, and ½ ounce of coffee liqueur. Add ½ ounce of heavy cream and 1 ounce of your homemade caramel syrup. Fill with ice and shake vigorously for 15 seconds. This ensures all ingredients are perfectly blended and thoroughly chilled for optimal enjoyment. Finally, it's time to serve your masterpiece. Carefully strain the perfectly chilled cocktail into your caramel-rimmed martini glass. For an extra touch of elegance, you can add a small dollop of whipped cream on top or a light sprinkle of cinnamon. This cocktail is a delightful dessert in a glass, offering a rich, creamy, and sweet experience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade crème brûlée cocktail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.